Hi, I'm Justin from ASPnix.com.
Welcome back. This is the second half of this video in which we compare affiliate marketing to being a reseller of hosting services. We're talking about affiliation in the last video. In this video, we're going to focus in on reseller hosting options available at ASPnix. Reseller hosting is a service that is provided for individuals or companies who are looking to get into selling hosting to their own customers. This can be a great opportunity for a lot of reasons, but is more of a turnkey business opportunity than affiliate marketing is. With affiliation, customers buy products and services after being directed to your affiliated sponsor. With reseller hosting, customers buy access to hosting from you. Meanwhile, you are purchasing white label hosting from your hosting provider. The main difference here is that you take the largest portion of the profits in this instance, but you are also responsible for offering technical support and other responsibilities to your own customers that your hosting provider cannot help you with. The initial attraction to this type of service is that it's very cheap to start your own business. For a few $1,000s, you can get any business up and running in the very same day. You don't have to own any hardware or invest in your own data center. You won't need teams of technicians to monitor and upkeep your servers 24 hours a day. You can start this kind of business very, very easily, all on your own. For an entrepreneur, this is an incredible deal, but technical support and customer service need to be your priority. The reason for this is that you can't very well tell your customer to call your competitor to ask them for help. Imagine the reaction your customers will have when they realize they can just as easily buy their web hosting from the company you are telling them to call every time they need help. Obviously, this is not ideal. If you want to succeed in this business, then you need to provide your own customer services. There are third-party agencies you can hire to offer 24-hour-a-day customer service, or you can hire your own staff to help you. Don't get caught in a situation where you are literally asking your customer to call your competition and ask for better service. I hope that was helpful and that some of those differences have been explained. Both are great opportunities to make money, but depending on your situation, have drastically different benefits and cost. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.
If you haven't heard of us before, please feel free to take a minute to check us out. There is a link in the description. Those too lazy to click can just type in ASPnix.com.